Today was the first day I used some new designed web catchers made on the 3D printer. Got different sizes. They got a countersunk hole for the screw. Just whip these up. This is like 1 inch, 1 inch by ½ inch tall, 1 inch, 1 inch by ¼ inch. This is, what does it be, ½ an inch by an inch, and then ½ an inch tall. And the screw just goes in all of them here. The only problem I have with it is I think the draft is just, it was sticking to it. I'm not sure if it was sticking to this because this was melting. The shininess on these two right here, I don't think we use this one. That's a result of the plastic melting during use. So I'm not sure if the Lexan polycarbonate was sticking to this. That could be the case. Or because we didn't have enough draft on it, it was catching on it. It could be a combination of both. I have a feeling it was sticking to it, but what I'm gonna do to test that theory is create a new design with a more of a draft angle on it. Probably, I think this was 2 degrees. Maybe we'll go to like 5, maybe even a little bit more. We'll see how it looks in the CAD software, excuse me, and try it out and everything. But for the most part, this worked pretty well. The wood ones that I've been using, I don't leave them on the molds. I take them on and off because I don't want to make the wood ones. I'm being lazy. This is quicker to just do it in CAD and have it 3D print out something. But if it sticks, it's not going to be very good. What I might do is end up maybe having Shapeways make some and see how that works. Where they have that different nylon material that might have a different sort of melting point compared to these. Or some other material they have, and see how that works. Once I finalize these, I think I'll make another one of these that's this height, and then I might do one that's various sizes in ¼ inch, and then either ½ inch or ¼ inch tall, and see if I can have enough room in it structure-wise for the screw there. I think I can squeeze it in. It might be a little bit more than the ¼ inch. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we'll do that, and I'll report back how it goes. If we can determine if it's the draft or just the plastic melting. It might be the plastic melting. But it worked for the most part, and it was an easy way of making them. Take care.